A very good evening and, of course, a very warm welcome to another season of No Reservations. I am Ayeshah Alam Khan. That's right, it's a new season. We've got a new set. I got a new look. Thank you, Tariq Amin. And we have a whole new set of guests. As you know, last season was fantastic. We had a fabulous host of guests. And this season is going to be no different. We're going to start off tonight's show with some fabulous people. It's going to be a fun show, great conversationalists, and, of course, experts in their fields. Who am I talking about? Well, you are going to have to find out, and to do that, you have to stay tuned. You're watching No Reservations. Good evening. Welcome back. I'm Ayeshah Alam Khan.